So today I will be showing you how to make an exploding ninja star boomerang. So what you want to do is put one stick down and another one there. You want to get another stick, and it's only going to take 4 sticks. We'll place one there. You want that to be centering the middle and meeting right there. Then you're going to get this. Then you want to hold these down. And I'm going to get this, slide that under, and slide that under. Now slide this one on top of this one. So I can't really show you guys because it's kind of hard to make. But once you make it more than once, you're going to get the hang of it. And oh geez, I just messed it up. I have to remake it all over again. Now this is my first video I made in a long time. Now I gotta push these down, slide that under, and slide this over. Please don't. No! Why did you do this? Why? And be careful not to break your stick. Now, right now it doesn't really look like a boomerang, but I made it. I want to fix it. Nope, I just ruined it. But it was perfect. Just like that. Now, when you throw it and it explodes, it's not going to be huge. If you seen some other videos on other tutorials. So it's not going to be the exact same explosion, but it still will be big. And I just messed it up again. It will have a nice explosion, but not one that's enough to satisfy you. This is really hard. Okay, now I just have to slip this over, and boom. That's way better than the one I previously made. There it is. Now I will show you what happens on impact. I don't think it is. Yep, it's still together. How about I just go show you guys elsewhere? Oh geez, it almost exploded though. Hey babies. You want to throw it with force. See? Exploded. So yeah, it just takes 4 steps. Yeah.